Do you want to watch me make this sleigh into my Christmas table centerpiece? If you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating easy on a budget. Why don't you feel free to click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell twice, and you will be notified each time I upload a video. Now, what I'm going to do today is make this sleigh into one I saw on Pinterest. Now, I will include a picture of two that I'm kind of pulling from here on the screen so you can see my idea. Now, the downfall is my sleigh is see-through. So I have to be a little creative so you can't see the foliage and the foam when you use to make this sleigh. Now, the items I'm going to be using for this DIY project came from Walmart and Hobby Lobby when they had their 50 to 60% off on their foliage for the Christmas holiday. Now I'm going to share with you some of the items I picked up from, this is from Walmart, this one's from Hobby Lobby, and then the next one, those two came from the Dollar Tree. I added some pipe cleaner to the end so I could stick them in. Now the Santa Claus hat came from a bunch I ordered off of eBay, or was it Amazon? I think it was Amazon. What I did was I stuck a plastic bag in it and tied pipe cleaner on the end so I could use it for this DIY project. Next, I have a pick I got from Hobby Lobby. Now, what I did here, I took some mesh, green and red, that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I think I cut it in about 5 inches. And I put 2 rolls together to do a red one, a green one, and then a red and a green mixture. And they were all tied together with green pipe cleaner. So now, let's get started. Now here how it looks this far, but I feel it's missing something, but I still think it's cute. I think I did close mixture of both pictures. I have the Santa hat and the feet and the candies and so forth and the mesh, but I still feel like it's missing something. I know what it is. A green bow, the bows that I'll be using on the tree. I added one to the back of the sleigh so it'll tie in with what I'm going to be doing with my Christmas tree this year. But I still think overall, when it sits on the table from the back, that it will look gorgeous with this green bow. Glitter, you know a girl loves her glitter. And then here is an overall look of the sleigh, the stuff inside, and the sleigh with the bow. I think it looks really good. I think it came out really, really nice. I'm really pleased with the sleigh. Now here's a look from the front of the sleigh. Now if you like my content, give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. I want you to take a look at my website. I'll have the link on the screen and I'll include it down below. I've come up with a form that I use to make it easier and to give me reminders when I'm uploading a video or editing. So why don't you go to my website and look at forms and tell me what you think. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.